In today's video, let's talk about how to fix the Mandiri online login problem. Now, there can be a few cases that might be happening. The first thing that you need to ensure is that the credentials that you're entering, so the username and the password, is correct. If you think you have forgotten your password, you need to simply reset it. So on the login page, you'd be able to see the option of resetting your password. So quickly go ahead and do that. But however, if this is not the case for you, and if you're using this application on your Android device, then what you'll also need to ensure is that you have turned off the developer mode. So simply head over to the settings on your device and simply search for developer mode. If developer mode is enabled, make sure you disable it, and if it is not showing up, that likely means that the developer mode is disabled on your device. If this is not the case as well, then what you need to do is just reinstall the application. So just quickly head over to the Play Store once it has been uninstalled, and then quickly download it again. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be solved. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.